Today we will learn how to create an account using Gmail. If you would like us to make a video on how to create an email account on other apps, please leave a comment below. Let's start. Take your phone, go to the search bar, type Gmail, and open the Gmail app. After opening Gmail, if you already have an account, you will see this screen. But if you don't have an account, you will have the option to create one. Click on that. Now, since you already have an account, click on the top right of your screen, which is the profile option. After clicking, you will see this screen. Here, you will already see your old Gmail accounts. Since you want to create a new Gmail address, make sure to click on the Create New Account button down below. After that, you have to select Google because we are creating a Gmail account. Then, Google will ask you to confirm your identity. You can do this using your fingerprint or your phone's password. Now click on Create Account button. Now you will see two options: for my personal use or for work or my business. Since we are creating a normal email account, click on For My Personal Use. Now, it will ask you to enter your name. First name is required, so make sure you enter it. Last name is optional. You can enter it or leave it empty. Then click Next. Now, enter your date of birth. Select the day, then the month, and then the year. Make sure you enter it correctly. After that, select your gender from the list. Then, click Next. Now, Google will suggest some available Gmail addresses. You can select one of these or create your own Gmail address. If your preferred email is not available, try adding numbers that you will always remember, like your birth year or your date of birth. Once you have selected an address or created one of your choice, click Next. Now create your password. Enter a strong password and type it again to confirm. Make sure your password is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You can use a mix of letters and numbers. For example, James_1#65. You can also use Google's suggested strong password. But there is one very important thing. Make sure you write your password somewhere safe, because if you forget it, you might lose access to your email. So always save it in your notebook or somewhere only you can access. Now, accept Google's terms and policies. You have successfully created your new email address. See? It was that easy. If this video made email easy for you, then don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and comment below if you want more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next one.